Milo. How old are you, Milo?
7.
7. Okay. Okay. So Milo, let's talk about your school. What is your school's name? What is your school name? Hmm? Dinggulin. Okay, Milo, look at the subjects. What is your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? Which one do you like? Do you like music? Yes. Why? Is it fun? Yes, okay. So, Milo, this is Anna's schedule, okay? So, look at Anna's schedule. Does she have gym on Monday? Look at Monday. Does she have gym? No. Huh? No, she doesn't. Can you say no?
Say no.
She doesn't.
Doesn't.
Okay. What about you, Milo? What subjects do you have on Monday? Huh? What subjects do you have on Monday? Do you have math?
Yes.
Oh, again. What subjects do you have on Monday? I have, let's say I have math. Okay, good job. Okay, so Milo, can you name 3 things that you have in your bag? Go. In your school bag, what do you have there? Do you have pencil? Can you say I have?
I have 2
Pencil.
pencil.
What else?
Pencil.
Pencil. Oh, what else? Do you have eraser?
Yes.
I say I have an eraser.
Eraser.
Okay. Milo, what do you use pencil for? We use pencil for what? We use it for what? I use pencil to
Yes.
do my homework, right? Okay. Milo, let's look at the pictures. What's this?
Bike.
Bike. What's this?
Camera.
It's a camera. What's this?
Guitar.
Very good. What's this?
Skyboard.
Good job. What are these?
Eraser.
Hmm? What are these?
Eraser.
Markers.
Marker.
What are these?
Nail.
There you go. Okay. Okay, Milo, look at the house. Wow. What room is this?
Bathroom.
Bathroom. What can you see in the bathroom? Look, what can you see? What's this?
Mirror.
Good job. What's this? Bathtub, yeah? What's this? Sink.
Sink.
Okay, good job, Milo. Okay. Milo, can you help teacher? Where is the sofa?
TV.
Hmm? Where is the sofa? Oh, here, oh. Where's the sofa? Which room is this?
Living.
Living room. Very good, Milo. Okay, what about your house? Can you describe your house? Can you describe your house? How many bedrooms do you have? Two. What color is your house?
No.
Blue. Okay. Okay, so let's talk about sports. What is he playing?
Spikeball.
What are they playing?
Basket.
What are they playing?
Football.
Okay, very good, Milo. What about you? How often do you play sports? Do you play sports?
No.
No? Oh, okay. But do you watch sports on TV? Do you watch on TV?
Yes.
Yes, what do you watch?
Two.
Hmm? Football? Okay. So now let's talk about jobs. What job is this?
Leader.
Can you describe what he does?
Here.
Hmm?
Here.
Build houses.
Build house.
This one, what job is this?
Doctor.
Can you describe what she does? Help sick people, right? What job is this?
Teacher.
Can you describe what he does? He helps students, right?
Yes.
Okay, it's okay, Milo. What about you? What do you want to be when you grow up? Do you want to be a teacher?
No.
What do you want to be?
Farmer.
You want to be a farmer? Why? Why do you want to be a farmer? Do you like animals? Okay. Milo, what time do you get up when you have school? I get up. What time? 6 o'clock?
Yes.
6 o'clock? Okay. What about what do you do after school? When you have free time, what do you do? Do you play?
Yes.
What do you play? I play
I play
What do you play?
Football.
Football. Okay. Okay. Now, Milo, let's look at the picture. This is picture 1. This is picture 2. I will describe picture 1. You will describe picture 2. Okay? For example, in picture 1, there's a cake on the table. Oh, what about in picture 2? Books on the table. Okay, very good. In picture 1, the box is empty. In picture 2, what are these? They're books. Okay. In picture 1, he's carrying fruit. What about picture 2?
Water.
Water. Okay. Last one. In picture 1, the clock is square. In picture 2, look at the clock. This is square. This is circle.
Circle.
Okay. Are you okay? Okay. Milo, we're finished. Time to go home. Okay.